My friends are eating banana.
You want banana?
You want banana? I like tasty. Bye.
Friends, we are eating breakfast.
And we are eating breakfast.
क्या खा रहे हो आप लोग ब्रेकफास्ट में? फ्रेंड्स को बता दो.
Vermicelli.
Do you like vermicelli, Rana and Kapaku?
Yes.
Say bye.
Friends, Friends, I'm chick with Meera.
आपके पापा क्या लगते हैं दादी के गिफ्ट को? बेटे?
Friends, I play Ludo and my Ludo खेली वो भी first time.
Yeah, with Buga, we are playing Ludo.
With family.
Yay!
Friends, good night. Today is my nanny birthday.
Happy birthday, Nani.
Happy birthday, nanny.